Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to enable or turn on the auto sound copyright check for TikTok. So before you post, if you want TikTok to run an automatic check if there's any copyright violations potentially detected, in today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to turn that feature on. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So all you have to do is select your profile icon at the bottom right, and then select the hamburger icon at the top right. Go down and select where it says TikTok Studio. And now scroll down at the bottom here underneath Publish Settings, Video Sound Copyright Check. Auto check every time there's a new post. Left click inside this oval one time to turn that on, and then it will automatically check before publishing. And if you want to disable it, very easy. Just click inside the oval one time to toggle it to the left. And again, that's all you have to do. So as always, thank you for watching. I do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.